To see what I actually use to regrow my lashes and my eyebrows, just continue watching this video, okay? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ida Francis, and today I'm going to be sharing with you one of my beauty secrets, and that has to do with what I actually use to regrow my lashes and my eyebrows at the same time. Recently I've actually received a lot of questions, especially from women of color. I actually used to regrow my lashes and my eyebrows at the same time. I don't know, can you see? The camera isn't focusing very well, but I have very full eyebrows and very full lashes that if I apply eyeliner, it's really poppy. And the gums we apply, this makes our lashes to fall off. But we take care of every part of our body, and most of the time we forget that the lashes and the eyebrows need to be taken care of. I want to see what I actually use to regrow my lashes and my eyebrows. Just continue watching this video, okay? If you haven't subscribed at this point, just click the red subscribe button and the bell that is just beside it, so that you will always be notified anytime I post a new video in this channel, okay? So this is the balm I actually used to regrow my lashes and my eyebrow. So I'm going to show you how to make this balm, but ensure that you have something that you could actually store your balm after making it, so that you can use it anytime you want. I use this to apply on my lashes and on my eyebrow to make it grow faster and it doesn't fall. I'm going to be using a plate like this to mix everything together. I have my shea butter, very good when it comes to hair care, be it on the eyes, be it on the hair. Shea butter is very good and it is 100% natural. Next thing I'm going to be using is the tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is very good when it comes to regrowing of hair and preventing hair falls. So I have here my fennel oil. What the fennel oil does is that it also helps stimulate hair growth. Take the shea butter. So I'm going to be taking it from the back of my spoon. So I'm just going to take like half a teaspoon of the shea butter. The next thing I'm going to do is to add the tea tree oil. A few drops will just be okay. Okay, it's just fine. Is our fennel oil. To be going in with another half a teaspoon of this fennel oil. Okay. So it is time to mix everything together. What we have after mixing everything together. So after mixing this together, you're just going to apply it on your eyebrow. So the second method I actually use to grow my eyebrows and my lashes is actually the petroleum jelly. Actually use any petroleum jelly of your choice. You don't necessarily need to get the Vaseline. Let me show you how you can apply this one on your lashes as well. Just take a little like this and go in. Method is my, I hope this is actually focusing, is my extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is very good when it comes to hair care and when it comes to hair care generally. Okay, so I actually use this to grow my lashes as well and my eyebrows, and it's part of my beauty regimen. So I'm just going to take a little of it and apply it on my brows already. These are just the three methods that I use to grow my lashes, and you can also use them to grow your lashes as well. Okay, if you like this video, please do not forget to give me a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. And if you have further questions or things that you think that I did not cover while recording this video, please do not forget to drop your questions in the comment section down below. Okay, until another time when I come your way, my name is Ida Francis. Bye.